Touch, touch, kiss, kiss, bliss, rain. Someday, when you come home, you will find yourself alone. Those vibrations in my presence were perfect. They were perfect. Now you stand and kill the moment away, and you dream about loving you well, and you want me to be there someday for you. So rain your love on me, I will rain my love on you. When the roses are fading away, when the sunrise refuses to shine, when the mysteries have lost its class, you come up in mine, and tears that you hold inside, those tears that you cannot cry. Your love is sublime, your love. So rain your love on me, rain your love on me, rain your love on me, baby, rain your love on me, rain your love on me, and I will rain love on you, my love. Time, and the cradle is broken. You have nothing, no words been spoken. Those eyes, they hide their secret inside of loving, of love. When you can't find the way to go, and you can't hide away your love, and the stream of emotion will flow. So rain your love on me, rain your love on me, so rain it down, and I'll rain love on you, so rain your love on me.